What is good, YouTube, man? It's the Hemi Twins back here with another video, and today, man, we got something special for y'all boy today, man. So as y'all can see in our old video with the pedal box, we did it with the Dodge Charger RT, and the pedal box hold extremely well, man, extremely well. So in today, we're gonna put it in the 392 Scat Pack, man. Let's see how the pedal box can hold up in the Scat Pack, man. Y'all boy, let me know in the comment section how y'all think it's gonna hold up, man. So this is how I got it installed, and if y'all want to see how I hook it up, I'm gonna leave the link in the description, or y'all can click the eye on the top of the screen to see how I install it. But yeah, man, I'm getting in the car, and y'all can see it right there, man. I got the pedal box right there. So if we crank it up and y'all go through the modes, so that mode right there, that is the normal mode. That is the normal mode right there. So that's nothing. That's eco, that's sport, and that's track, man. So today we're gonna go through all the modes with y'all boy today, and see, is it worth it having a pedal box in your Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack, or is it ain't? So we're gonna let y'all know, man. We're gonna take y'all on a test drive, and y'all can see how it holds up, man. Alright, we out this thing.
I'm about to say about what you doing.
Alright, man, so we got a little bit of open space, so I'm gonna put that thing in I'm gonna put it in sport, you know, eco, you know, sport all the way up, man, sport all the way up. So we're gonna see, man. Let's see how that thing is. Oh yeah, whoa,
Boy, I've been glued.
That wasn't even glued.
I've been glued for real. Like, my shit been like that.
Whoa. Let me find out sport like that, bro. Like, I don't gotta put it on track, and I'm feeling something.
That track, I think that track part be crazy, though.
God dang. This is unbelievable.
That pedal box do work, though. Like,
That
it's not a gimmick.
Yeah, that pedal box is crazy, bro.
It's not a gimmick.
What in the world?
I want to try that thing, too. So we probably switch.
Yeah.
So I can feel
I'm gonna
it.
go through the modes and then
Like,
switch.
you can actually feel it when you click it through each mode. Like, if you're clicking it from sport, from eco to sport, like, you can feel it.
It changing through the gears.
Yeah, like
it's crazy.
Like, it's going kind of faster. But what, you got the track now?
Nah, I'm still in sport.
Yeah, but let us know what kind of videos y'all want to see, man. Like, give us some ideas, man, so we can post this content for y'all. Put out this content for y'all. And yeah, man, 1K soon, 1K soon.
Yeah, trying to hit that 1K, man. I appreciate everyone who stopped by our channel, giving us the likes and subs. If y'all new, man, make sure to hit that like and sub button, because 2021, this is the year, man. I'm trying to tell y'all, we're going to push out so much content. It's going to be crazy, y'all. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm telling y'all right now. Y'all boys just sit back and stay tuned. But yeah, man, I'm going to go ahead. So I'm going to give y'all one more pull in sport. And we're going to click that thing and try it. Just a little miniature pull again.
I'm gonna power record. Wait. Nah, cause can't show you how fast we going. We doing about 60, so.
That is crazy. Oh my God.
looking at them, but I just be looking straight. I gotta look straight.
Alright, man.
Like,
so
this thing really put a smile on your face,
like while driving it every day, just knowing that you got that, like that pedal box, and you just gotta click a button, and it give you all your horsepower at once. Man, that truck is crazy, bro.
And you don't need to stop or anything to change the mode. You can just change the mode while driving. See, them other pedal boxes and pedal commanders and stuff, you gotta stop and change it. You know what I'm saying? Like, say if you racing, do you want to pull over and change your mode and come back? Like, that'd be too much racing. The dude gonna be already gone.
So, yeah, man. So I'm gonna make this U-turn
and put it in track right now.
And go. Alright, I'm gonna put it in track, man. Let's see.
I can drive sport in track. Going back.
Oh yeah.
Track. Is it red on the pedal box here?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's red right now, y'all. Let's see.
Oh my.
That response time is like...
It's like instant, like... What? Yo, this nothing to play around with, bro. This sound actually works.
Like my head hitting the seat every time.
This is crazy, man.
What are you doing?
Yo, I'm gonna make this U-turn right now. So we're gonna make this U-turn and we're gonna switch.
Get my perspective.
So we're gonna get a little manager poke before this U-turn comes.
That shit, what a thing is skipping numbers. That thing is skipping numbers.
This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. Well, we're going to go ahead and switch right now.
Let me try.
See if my brother know what to do, man.
Is it different for real?
Huh?
Is it different for real?
What? He gonna see the difference, y'all. He gonna see. Put in sport.
What to say? Nah.
Alright, make sure we got the radar on. So let's see, man. Look, you need a going out. What? What do we call it? Put on the waves. Yeah. Got your phone. Go. Damn, that's a lot of gravel.
Alright, let's see what's up with it. 30-year-old.
Like the shift is so aggressive, man. That's in sport. Like,
This is crazy. Like, I'm like looking at like, what? Like, the response time is so it's on point. Like, if you unplug the pedal box right now and do the response check, like, it's speechless, bro. In your seat while you driving too. Passenger.
cut. Yes, sir.
No cut.
Hey, but yeah, on this side of the seat, man, like, you feel way more violent on this side while driving, bro. Like, it's crazy.
I'm gonna put him in trap, man.
That jump popping and
trap.
You a driver?
I'm a driver.
Y'all, but like, if y'all saw that speedometer, that's tough. That's tough, man. Listen, this is my only word. My hand is like sweating, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all should just go get a pedal box, man. Link in it below. Link in the description, man. If y'all want a pedal box, man, y'all boy go get a pedal box, man. It's worth it. It's worth it. That's what I'm saying. Like, what? The price is reasonable. The price is reasonable, but you getting what you pay for. This is not like cheap quality thing. It's like a program too, like a giving you this horsepower all at once type, man. Shout out to my boy 𝐒𝐻𝐵 again, man, for reviewing this product and letting all type of people get this pedal box, cause this thing works. This thing works, man. Okay. Yeah, but this thing is crazy. You could probably do donuts, swinging this, swinging. What? Imagine doing this with a donut. Doing this, got the pedal box on, doing a donut, bro. It's gonna be so much fun. Golly, see that? Look how that challenger looking. Boy, you about to break my neck. Man, come on, man. Y'all boy need to clear. Y'all boy need to get out the way. Come on, man. What? You feel that? That's, you talking about? Come on. Like, I'm just tapping the pedal like this. Like that. If y'all can't tell, man, I'd rather be in the driver's seat doing this pedal box because it's so violent, bro. And this Scat pack like hugs the road and all, man. This thing crazy. Look at undercover 12 and that charger right there on the other side of the road. So now that's tough. Alright, but if y'all like this video, man, please give this a like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comment section what kind of videos y'all want us to post, man. Let us know. Give us some feedback, man. And we really appreciate everyone who subscribed to the channel and stopping by, giving it a like and all type, man. We really appreciate y'all, man. Let's do a window down one. That's tough. I'm just trying to see if y'all can hear the and plus the pedal box make it like a difference in the sound. Yeah, you can definitely hear that too. Alright, but come on, you need to close. But yeah, man, he stopped me, man. But yeah, we closing it out. But yeah, man, we really appreciate everyone who stopped by the channel, giving us a like and a sub. We really appreciate that, man. We have 400 plus subs, man. We really appreciate everything y'all done for us, man. Like 1K soon, man. If we can hit a K in 3 months, man, that's the goal, man. We trying to hit a K. Oh my God, look at Toy right there. Like what? And the car is so like bright, so it's already attractive enough. Like imagine, like it's crazy. But yeah, man, we trying to hit a goal, man. If we can hit this 1K in 3 months, that'd be blessed, bro. We'll be blessed, man, trying to hit that 1K, man. Make sure, boys, share this video, share it on all social medias and all type, man. It's the 𝐻𝐻𝐵 twins, man, and we out. And the final thing, man, I know we said we out, but if y'all can get this video to 30 plus likes and let us know what kind of videos y'all want in the comment section, that would be great. But yeah, man, we out this time for real, man. It's the 𝐻𝐻𝐵 twins, and we out.